In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT without a phone number. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, I know many people find themselves in situations where they want to access ChatGPT but don't have a phone number to complete the verification process. Whether you're in a place where you can't receive texts or simply prefer not to use your personal number, I'm here to share a simple method that can help you get around that. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to begin by opening up your web browser. I recommend using Google Chrome as it's widely accessible and quite user-friendly. So go ahead and open Chrome now. If you're all set, let's move on to the next step. Once you've got Chrome open, it's time to do a little searching. In the search bar, type in free temporary phone number for verification. This search will yield several options for websites that offer temporary phone numbers that you can use for verification purposes without needing your own. When you sift through the search results, look for the first website that appears. This site typically lists a variety of temporary phone numbers which are perfect for verification. Upon clicking that link, you should see a selection of phone numbers from various countries. This is where the magic happens. Depending on your location and the service you're trying to sign up for, you can select a number from a country that suits your needs. Now, browse through the list of available phone numbers and find one that you'd like to use. Just click on the option to open it up. This action will direct you to a new page where you can see all the SMS messages sent to that number. How cool is that? You'll be able to view every SMS that arrives at that number, including the all-important verification codes you need. This method is a fantastic way to keep your personal phone number private while still gaining access to the services you want. Once you're on that page, the next step is pretty straightforward. Just copy the temporary phone number displayed on the site. With the number now copied to your clipboard, you can head over to the ChatGPT sign-up page or any other service that you're looking to verify. Paste the number into the designated area for the phone number. After you've pasted it in, you'll need to proceed with the verification process. Typically, this step involves waiting for a text message that contains a verification code. Since you've got the temporary number, that code will appear on the web page where you open the number. It might take a moment, so be sure to keep refreshing that page. Once you see the text message come through, it will have the verification code you need. Now here's the crucial part. Once you find that code, simply copy it and return to the verification section of ChatGPT. Paste the code in where it is required. And just like that, you should be able to complete your sign-up process without needing your personal phone number. In conclusion, using a temporary phone number is an easy and efficient method to access ChatGPT and many other services without having to rely on your own phone number. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it gives you the freedom to enjoy ChatGPT without any hassle. If you did find this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.